Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have a square minus a cubed equals to 36, and we solve this problem for the values of a. So here the very first step we are going to do is, first you see here the highest power of this equation is 3. It means that we need to find all the three roots of this equation. Okay, so here first we need to focus in the right hand side, and we write it as a square minus a cubed equals to, we write this 36 as 27 plus 9. We know that 27 plus 9 becomes 36, and after that we write the prime factors of these two numbers as in this form. This is a square minus a cubed equals to, we write this 27 as 3 cubed, plus we write this 9 as 3 square. And here we need to move these two values from right hand side to the left hand side, and we make the pair of square term with square and cube term with cube. So we combine this 3 square with a square, and it will be written as a square minus 3 square. Because this is plus 3 square, here when you move in the left hand side it will becomes minus 3 square. So this is plus 3 cube, when you move in the left hand side it will becomes minus 3 cubed, and this whole equals to 0. So here we rewrite this equation as a square minus 3 square, and here we take common negative sign, and we get a cubed plus 3 cubed, and this whole equation equals to 0. So here we need two nice algebraic formulas. So the first formula is if you have x square minus y square, it is equals to x minus y times of x plus y. And similarly the second formula which we need here, this is cubic formula. If you have x cubed plus y cubed, it is equals to x plus y times of x square plus xy plus y square. So here we can apply the first formula in the first factor and the second formula in the second factor. So here our first factor is written as, after applying this formula, this is a square minus 3 square will be written as a minus 3 times of a plus 3, and minus, here we can apply the cubic formula, and our cubic formula is x cube plus y cube. So it will be written as x plus y. Here our x is a plus y is 3 into, this is x square plus xy. Here our x is a, so we write it as a square plus xy. X is our a and y is 3, and plus y square, y is 3 square, and this whole equation equals to 0. So further in the next step you focus on both of these terms, and we see here you have a plus 3 be the common term. So when you take common a plus 3, then the remaining terms are, here we get a minus 3, and here when you take common a plus 3, and we need to multiply this negative sign on all of these values, and it will be written as, this is minus a square, and this is minus 3 times of a, and this minus times of plus becomes minus 3 square, and 3 square equals to 9, and this whole equation equals to 0. So further in the next step, here we need further to simplify the terms, and we have a plus 3 times of here you have, here we need to add or subtract the like terms. So we have, this is minus a square, and a minus 3a equals to minus 2a, and minus 3 minus 9 equals to minus 12, and this whole equation equals to 0. So now we can divide this equation into the two cases, so that the first case is we take a plus 3 equals to 0, and the second case is we take minus a square minus 2a minus 12 equals to 0. So from first case we easily get the value of a is equals to minus 3, and here we need to first multiply both of the sides by a negative sign, so that we will multiplying both sides by -1, so it will be written as a square. All these values will become positive. This is a square plus 2a plus 12 equals to 0. So this equation will becomes quadratic in a variable, and now here we can apply the quadratic formula in order to solve this quadratic equation. So first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are capital A equals to 1, capital B equals to 2, and capital C equals to 12. And the quadratic formula is stated as x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of AC divided by 2 times of A. This is our quadratic formula. And now here we need to substitute the values of a, b and c in this formula, and it will be written as a equals to minus b. The value of b is minus 2 plus minus square root of b square. B is 2 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 12, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So here our a is equals to 1. And now in the next step we have here we need to simplify the terms, and we have this is minus 2 plus minus square root of this is 2 square equals to 4 minus this is 4 12 for the 48, and it is divided by 2 ones are 2. So this implies that we have a is equals to minus 2 plus minus 4 minus 48 equals to minus 44 divided by 2. And now in the next step here we need to separate the square of this term 44 and negative term, and we write it as a equals to minus 2 plus minus square root of 44 into square root of minus 1 divided by 2. And here we rewrite this as minus 2 plus minus, we write this 44 as 11 times of 4, and we know that the square root of minus 1 is iota, and it is divided by 2. So here we just take the square root of 4, and it will be written as, so this is minus 2, and first we break this fraction, it will become minus 2 over 2 plus minus. Here we know that the square root of 4 becomes 2 into square root of 11 iota, and it is divided by 2. This 2 is cancelled out by this 2, this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and we get the other two values of the given equation are minus 1 plus minus square root of 11 into iota. So these are the two complex roots of the given equation, and we have a equals to minus 3b, the real root of the given equation. These are the three roots of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.